know, so my back looks, like it's bare, but I had fully clothed, so it looks a little bit more steamy than it was.
Off camera, Banks and Singleton wrote their own script.
John and Tyra did have a very special, a very serious relationship at the time of the film. They were a devoted couple.
According to published reports, rumors speculated that Tyra used her relationship with John to get the role.
She's always been very protective of her career, and she knew that if this movie came out too bad or whatever, that it could hurt her modeling career. And she'd heard all the rumors and heard people say that and knew it would come out, and so she wasn't going to let that happen.
Coming up.
She's got boobs, she's got butt. Men react to Tyra wherever she goes.
And later, Hell on Heels.
Janice would say something looks particularly bitchy. And Tyra would look at her and give her like a cold look.